Hello friends, welcome back to the Global Studio YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to import, export and move the files between SolidWorks and Autodesk Inventor software. Recently, both software programs have made it easy to transfer files between them. They have already developed the easiest solution for this, which we are going to discuss in this video along with all other formats supported by the software. So stay until the end of the video to learn about all the formats. Now let's start with the most common format, which is the step file format. Both software programs are able to import step formats without any issues. If you don't know how to import files, then I will explain the process once. You can use the same method to import the rest of the files into the software. As the first method, you can try to use drag and drop method to import the files into both SolidWorks and Inventor software. If the method is not working, then follow the below steps. In SolidWorks software, go to File and click on Open. Browse the folder for files and select the format using the drop down menu. Then click on Open. Now you can follow the same steps in Inventor software also. In Inventor software, go to File and click on Open. Then browse the files. Select the format and click on Open. Simple, right? I hope all of you got the idea. Now let's discuss about the other file formats. Along with step files, both the softwares will support IGES, STL, SAT and Parasolid formats as well. You guys can use the same above method to import and export the files between the software. But using the above formats, you cannot import and identify all the features of the model, and there is a high chance of getting error. For this, both software programs have found a good solution, that is, you can directly import the SolidWorks file into Inventor or import the Inventor file into SolidWorks software. You can use the same methods previously mentioned to import the files into the software. In SolidWorks, go to File and click on Open. Select the Inventor format to browse the file and then open the Inventor file. Now simply click on the feature, and it will take some time to identify all the features before finalizing the model. As you can see, our Inventor model directly imported into SolidWorks. But also note that there is a chance of getting a notification in any of the software saying that the model version is higher, and to open the file you need to update the software. In my case, Inventor is giving the notification, as you can see here on my screen. Even though both of the software I am using is a 2020 version, I still got the same error. So please let me know in the comments if you get the same error like mine. I hope this tutorial is helpful and clear for all. Thank you for watching. We'll meet again in the next video. Bye bye.